Hello everyone, we are going to recycle this purple sweater by giving it a brand new look. As you can see, we are going to look at the neckline and decide where we want to make changes. You can use a fabric marker or a chalk mark lines in the center of the neck by folding it. Now take your needle and thread. You can use a fun color that matches or contrasts your sweater. Start stitching zigzag patterns along the neckline. This design will add flair to your sweater and make it stand out. After this, we are going to hold the thread and pull it tightly from the top. As you stitch, take your time and enjoy the process. You can also use beautiful pearls for the center, but we are not doing here. Finally, tie a knot at the back side and cut the thread, and look how beautiful the design and the pleats are looking at the sweater neckline. Here we are going to learn trouser or pants waistline at home. You can alter it with the help of thread and needle. As you can see, we are going to mark two lines on the corner of it. Take the thread and needle, and then we are going to fold it and make pleats with the help of needle, and then pull the thread at one. Now repeat the same process. This time we are taking the different color of thread. It's just for the better understanding. You can take similar color. Now we are going to similarly fold the waist and make pleats and then pull the thread. After this, we're going to pull both the thread, hold it like we're doing here in this video, and then we're going to tie a knot at the back side. Cut the thread like we're doing here in this video, and look how easy it is. If you want to alter more, you can repeat the same process from other side as well, like this one, and it is done. Look at the strap. Let's recycle it. It is a best way if you want to give a new look to your straps of your dress or top. Or if the straps get loose, you can also tie it by making this design. As you can see, we're going to hold the strap, and then we're going to make the zigzag stitching on the top of it. Put the needle on the top of the fabric and make pleats. Now we're going to pull the thread from the top. After making the pattern, as you can see, we're going to simply hold the fabric from one corner, and then we are going to pull the thread tightly from the top. How beautiful this design is looking. Tie a knot at the back side, cut the thread, and look, it is looking so pretty. You can also use some beads or pearls at the center. Look at this high neck sweater. Let's recycle it without actually cutting it. As you can see, we're going to simply fold this sweater neck, and then we're going to make an embroidery design on the top edge. We're going to stitch and make the design at the same time. You can use different color of thread for the beautiful look. As you can see, we're going to use this yellow color of thread. We're making the cross stitching on the top of it. Hold it from the front portion, as you can see how we're doing here from the back side as well. After creating the design, tie a knot and cut the thread. Now we're going to use a different color of thread as well. It will enhance the look and the stitching will be strong as well. So we're going to use a red color of thread. Simply tie a knot at the center of the cross stitching, and then we're going to again tie a knot at the back side. Roll the thread like this, cut it, and look, your beautiful design is ready. Look how simple this embroidery is looking, yet so elegant. Thank you so much for watching this video.